Hi, I'm Bret with Leisure Time Inc. And today we're going to be talking about how to maintain your pH and alkalinity levels in your spa water using freshwater pH alkalinity up and freshwater pH alkalinity down. It is important to maintain a total alkalinity range of 80 to 120 parts per million, or ppm, and a pH range of 7.2 to 7.8 in your spa. A total alkalinity or pH reading that is too high can cause cloudy or colored water, while a reading too low can cause equipment corrosion. First, determine the level of total alkalinity and pH in your hot tub by using a freshwater 5-way test strip. If your reading is below the acceptable range, use freshwater pH alkalinity up. If your reading is above the acceptable range, use freshwater pH alkalinity down. Adding 1 tablespoon of freshwater pH alkalinity up per 100 gallons of water will increase your total alkalinity by 20 ppm. Adding 1 tablespoon of freshwater pH alkalinity down per 100 gallons of water will decrease your total alkalinity by 20 ppm. Add the appropriate amount of product to the filter compartment while the jet pump is running. Wait at least 3 hours and retest for total alkalinity and pH in your hot tub. Add more product if needed. Using freshwater pH alkalinity up and freshwater pH alkalinity down is an easy way to maintain the quality of your spa water and ensure the longevity of your hot tub.
Hey there, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below to get future content from Leisure Time Inc.